So after a system like this has been installed, delivered and commissioned, obviously we emphasise that the right training is delivered. My name's Ian Peters, I'm the UK Service Manager for Fastems. Today we're here at Cosworth looking at the flexible manufacturing system we have here on site. So after a system like this has been installed, delivered and commissioned, obviously we emphasise that the right training is delivered, whether that's maintenance, operators training. We want to get the operators up to a skill level where they can manage the system, do all the tasks, get the production rates to where they need to be as fast as possible. If the production requirements change, obviously we then assess the situation, see what needs to be done, but we offer upgrades, we offer modernizations, all depending on what the customer wants. We can improve production rates, add extra machines, add robots. Possibilities are endless. If one machine breaks down, the system's clever enough to realise the situation, the software's clever enough to adapt. Another machine will step in, take control of that task, make sure the task is still delivered. We help the customer with service and support by providing engineers on request. Machine breaks down, we send an engineer in as soon as we can. We've also got the 8760 remote support facility where we utilise our back office remote support team. We also do periodic maintenance on the system, normally every six months. That way we know what parts are wearing, what needs to be done. So future service support from Fastems, we're now looking at digital services and myFastems portal. So the idea of this is to provide a platform for the customer, a cloud-based platform that they can order parts, they can monitor service history, they can put requests in for breakdowns. They've basically got all the information at the touch of a button.